The next one is number 6. Number 6. Number 6, they said if t is equal to prime numbers and m is odd numbers, a subset of u is equal to x 0 less than x less than 10 and x is an integer, find t intersection t complement intersection n complement. T complement to be t is prime number abi, so prime number between 0 and 10. Prime number between 0 to 10 is what? Is 2, 3, 5. Is what? 5, 7, then 7. Yeah. And they say m is odd number. M is odd number. Odd number between 0 to 10 is what? 1, 2, 1, 3, rather 5, 7, and 9. Then I say that find t complement. T complement means what does universal state has. Universal that has that t does not have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does universal have that this t does not have? They are what? They are 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Yeah. M complement also is what does M have that this, what does universal say have that this M does not have? So that's nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8. M complement is 2, 4, 6, 8. So T complement intersection M complement means what do they have in common? They are what they have in what? In common. The same thing. So it is nothing but this, this and this. You call me? Then no, this, okay, this is less than or equal to 10. This is less than, just check it now. So if it is less than or equal to 10, we can still have 10 also. So we can have 10, so we can have 10, 10, 10, they have together 10, but 10 is not a prime number. 1, 2, 4. So this, I'm sorry, 10 is there. And just check it again now. 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 10. So on this one also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what they have in common is nothing but this and this and this and this. So this is the answer. Next question is the question under